What's up, people? Yeah, I look sleepy, right? Tired. My company here for just voice my opinion little because this I'm like a space where I like voice my opinion, and you know something kind of just rest on my heart. Go to my bed with it last night, and normally me not go to my bed and wake up with things. If somebody hurt me, me not go to my bed and wake up with it tomorrow morning and be like on my mind. But it's like this thing is it's just mind-boggling how people think very shallow. And tell me what to think. Me really want to hear it, but me voice it first. No. Yeah, try as a person. This person reached out to me. They wanted to they're trying to get somebody out of their bread and butter. And I'm just looking at how shallow, how low that is. Because if you have children and that person have children, why would you try to do something like that to somebody, especially somebody who is not a person who is targeting you or trying to do anything to you? Like, this person is not doing that, but because you don't like the person, you're trying to let them lose their bread and butter. It's just sad. It make me feel so disgusted that human beings are so bitter. I mean, I wake up with it this morning because it's on my mind. And as I said, this is my little space that I like to talk when things come across me. Remember, and I'm getting into the point. I always say this, you see, karma is very much real. And when you do things to others, it will fall back on you. Alright, so you have children, right? They have children. You're plotting behind their back for them to lose their honest bread and butter. When you do that, remember, though it's not just that person is going to affected, is their children as well. Their family is going to be affected. And you are going to be okay just coming, not like everything is okay. It's not okay. So when you fight against somebody that have children, it's not gonna just hurt that person. And remember, karma is gonna come back because it have a way of biting you in the butt. So when you plot against somebody or you're digging, growing up as a child, they used to say when you dig one hole for somebody, dig two, because you might just drop down in that hole. So dig one for yourself. And that is no joke. Because no matter when you mess with God people, remember God having people them, you see? God having people them. And when you mess with them, it will come back to you. Oh, shucks. Is that a parking? So, in everything you do, you gotta be mindful that it will happen. And I'm always look into this as well. Like, for people who really take people's lives, like, what make them in that rage for do it? Like, even because when you premeditate something like that, that is just drop dead evil. It's like the demon in somebody. Because if you're gonna plan for somebody's life in advance, that means you have the demons inside of you. You have no God. there is no love, that's definitely demons. Because taking people life, premeditating people's lives, after you take it, they can't feel anything. And it is so much easier to punish somebody than to just take their lives. I mean, it's sad to say that, but when you take somebody's life, they're not gonna feel anything. I mean, maybe I said it wrong, but it depends on what kind of punishment too. It's not like, okay, it's your children, and because you tell them to do something and they didn't do it, you don't let them play the game. Something like that. I mean, what in the world? People are so angry and mean and bitter towards each other for? Like, what is it? Like, we're here. Just survive. Just live. Why get up every day and fight against each other? Like, it doesn't make any sense. I'm just like thinking about the person, and last night it made me sad, and then this morning I wake up, it come back on my mind. Things don't really stay on my mind like that, because I'm the kind of person who move on, forgive. It doesn't matter what you do to me today. Tomorrow I just try to let it go, because that is it. I can't bother to hold envy, grudge, and all of that stuff. It doesn't make any sense. Just live every day in the moment and just enjoy your life. That's it. I'm not gonna say that I'm perfect, because things do bother me, but like things like that, I don't want to think about unnecessary things. I like to smile a lot, so to keep my face young, exercise my muscles. But honestly, I'm just, I just want to vent and to voice my opinion. What do you think? Is it fair for somebody to plot against someone that haven't even harmed them? Sad. Sad. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think. Bye. Have a blessed day.